Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to choose a new voice for your iPhone, for Siri. So initially, you want to go to settings. And the way we do that, we just click on settings. And then we're looking for accessibility. Click on accessibility. And now all the way at the top, click on voiceover. And now click on speech. When you're on speech, you can see that there's a voice tab all the way at the top. We're going to press on voice. And now we're given all of these different AI voices for Siri. I'm stuck on Samantha, but let's say you want to use Susan. We click on Susan. We click on the download button all the way to the right. And then as soon as it's downloaded, it's in use. So as soon as you click the cloud all the way to the right, it's going to use that voice as your new speech. And so mine is selected to Samantha. I have Samantha Enhanced or just regular Samantha. And once you have that blue check mark to the right, you are using that voice. And then you can just click back. And now you've added that voice to your voiceover. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.